Hey, welcome to this video where I'll be unboxing the new OPPO Reno 10 5G. This is available in Kenya from around 55 to around 60,000 Kenya shillings. The exact price will be announced tomorrow when the phone launches in the country, so I'll leave a link in the description. So the box is similar to what we got with the OPPO Reno 8T, very simple, minimalistic. And when you take out of the box, the first thing we see is the SIM ejector tool. And then we also have the free back cover, a safety guide booklet, and a quick guide. And here's the phone, and you can see some of the key specifications on top. We do have the portrait camera, which is one of the key highlights of this phone. We have a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the phone supports 67 watt SuperVOOC charging and a 5000 milliamp hour battery. So let's put the phone aside for a minute. Also in the box we do have the USB-C cable and the 67 watt wall adapter for charging. So back to the phone. It's quite beautiful, well made, feels premium. I got the ice blue one, which looks stunning. The back color changes color depending on the angle you look at it from, which gives it a very unique look. So this is one good looking phone. If you want a phone that looks good, this is it. The design is similar to what we had with the Reno 8T. The edges are slightly curved for both the front and the back, so it's easier to hold and comfortable to hold even with one hand, and looks and feels premium. The curved glass is just stunning. I love it. I loved it on the Reno 8T and I love it here. And here's the display. It has a on-screen fingerprint sensor, which works very well. It's easy to set up and it's quite fast. The display gets very bright for use even outdoors, so I had no problems using it outdoors. This supports 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus for your Netflix movies. So if you want that, you get it with this display. At the top of the phone, you do have an IR blaster and a speaker grill. The phone has dual stereo speakers, which are quite balanced, so you get balanced sound from both the top and the bottom speakers. The volume and power buttons are on the right and within easy reach. The speaker grill, USB-C port, microphone, and SIM tray are on the bottom of the phone. At the back, we do have the 3 camera setup, which takes very good shots. The portrait shots are quite good. I've been impressed so far. The phone does a good job in blurring the background, so you get very clear shots, especially portrait shots. So if you take a lot of photos, this is a phone worth considering. I've been impressed so far. The back camera also records 4K videos at 30 frames per second. So if you want that, you do get with the Reno 10. Powering this phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 750 processor, which OPPO has paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. You do get micro SD card support, so you can expand the storage space up to 1TB, and also you can expand the RAM up to 8GB if you need more. As for the Android version, we do get Android 13 with ColorOS 13.1, which comes with some of the usual useful features, including split screen, one-handed mode. But one feature that I like so far is what OPPO is calling auto pixelate, which lets you automatically blur some sections of your screenshot. When you take a screenshot, you can blur some of the sections to protect the sender's privacy, which is quite a good feature. But overall, this is a very beautiful phone. The display is quite stunning. If you watch a lot of movies, videos, this is the perfect phone for you. But specifically, if you take a lot of photos, this phone will never disappoint. Both the back and the front cameras take very good photos, and I was impressed so far with the portrait mode. You get really good shots, especially outdoors when the lighting is so good. You get really good shots, and I think it's worth checking out. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.